One of the more recent innovations in the world of photography is the compact, stylish 360-degree cameras. With advanced features that allow you to live stream, upload quickly, or edit wherever you are, these cameras are great for people who are on the go and love recording their adventures. This new breed of camera comes in a variety of designs, sizes, and structures with fisheye lenses that help you capture special moments and action in a new way. If you're excited to own one of these and begin your own journey, then we'll invite you to join us here as we present 5 of the best 360-degree cameras on the market. If you're ready, let's start. Taking our top spot is the Insta360 digital camcorder. This premium device delivers 5.7K resolution and generates sharp 360-degree videos and stunning 8-megapixel shots. If you want buttery smooth video, use the 50 frame per second feature. The stylish super slim 28mm body features 210 degrees of large dual lenses which are placed together to provide a perfect stitch and 794 individual components that are game-changing. The seamless exterior construction and the inner components are crafted with the utmost precision, giving users a guarantee of its reliability, flexibility, and quality. This 1.2 by 4.5 by 1.8 inch camcorder is equipped with a CMOS sensor that works promptly and enhances sound sensitivity, letting you enjoy realistic and vibrant footage. The flow state technology of this camera prevents shaking issues during the peak of its moments with the slow-mo bullet time, letting you highlight those momentous actions with perfect turns. To speed things up, utilize the stabilized hyperlapse and snap in every direction at once with drift shots. A device with these spectacular features and high dynamic range shooting capacity, this camcorder is a must-have for people who love to be where the action is. Our second top-notch camera is the Rylo 360 video camera. This tiny device is powered by an advanced software that delivers realistic, cinematic, and larger-than-life 5.8K resolution. It's capable of capturing 360-degree angles perfectly with its breakthrough stabilization technology. The integrated technology steadies the frame and makes your footage rock solid as you go through the heart of your actions. Explore, shoot, edit, and share with this highly intuitive video camera in your hand. It's easy to use. Simply focus the dual wide-angle lenses on your subjects and press record. It provides perfect, stable, high-definition footage. Each lens can capture 208 degrees of seamless video, which is equal to a 7mm wide-angle lens of the traditional cameras. The advanced software that Rylo provides gives you ultimate control and creative freedom. Download the Rylo app to share your winning videos anywhere you are. The body is made of durable anodized aluminum, which is tough enough to withstand the weather elements. It's small and lightweight, so you can take it anywhere, getting you ready for any unexpected adventure. Even without a tripod or gimbal, you can capture moving time-lapse footage by quickening the speed up to 16 times. Another nice feature includes the Bluetooth remote capture, instant playback, motion blur, 6K panorama, one-touch follow, tiny planet, and points for controlling motion. Well, what do you think of our first 2 featured cameras? We still have 3 more to show you, so you'll have even more choices. If you have any comments or questions, just leave them in the comment box and we'll take a look at them right away. If you're not yet part of our friendly community, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to tap that bell icon to get an instant notification when we upload a new review. And now, back to our list. Another outstanding product at number 3 is the GoPro Fusion 360 digital camera. The design of this popular device aims to provide spherical as well as standard high-definition video. It has two ultra-wide lenses that dynamically capture full 360-degree spherical images and everything else around them. The over-capture feature of this amazing camera is its primary selling point. It lets you frame and capture 1080 HD footage and 18 megapixel photos within the 360-degree sphere. Record your best memories in stunning 5.2K video or vivid spherical pictures in burst, single, night and night lapse, or time-lapse modes. This 1.6 by 2.6 by 2.8 inch Digicam is perfect for action-oriented and adventurous individuals who are geared towards web and mobile tools. It's completely compatible with an iPad mini 4, iPhone 6s, and more advanced releases. For Android, it's compatible with previous models, and you can check out the technical specs. Even without the stabilizer or gimbal, you can easily shoot smooth videos, enjoy immersive 360-degree playbacks, and edit spherical videos, all while sharing with your friends or social media. It also offers seamless video stitching and transforming spherical photos into standard resolution images for easy sharing and storing. It also features 360-degree audio with the help of multiple microphones that can catch spherical surround sound. For ultimate functioning, it requires two high-performing microSD, microSD-XC, or microSD-HC cards, with at least a UHS 2 or 3 rating. Moreover, it's waterproof down to 5 meters or 16 feet. Taking our fourth spot on the list is the Kodak PIXPRO SP360 camera. It's equipped with advanced MOS sensor, which is powered by 16 million image pixels. It generates high quality output. It does not just capture footage or photos, but it preserves them in crystal clear resolution so your memories tell that special story. This is a game-changing device capable of providing multiple viewing modes such as 360-degree panorama, front degree, rear 180-degree, dome, globe, or ring mode. You can conveniently capture high-speed action with a simple push of a button, producing full-resolution images in 10 frames per second, with 1080p full high-definition photos. The intuitive PIXPRO Stitch software can allow you to easily edit the footage from two 360-degree cameras, creating a fully immersive VR video and photos that you'll love to share or watch with family and friends. See the world in a new, more colorful light and record everything with the help of the 360x 214-degree lens. It's also NFC Wi-Fi ready, letting you effortlessly upload VR media to share on Facebook or YouTube. Set it wherever you want and use the Pixar Remote Viewer app, which lets you download on your Android or iOS device. This remarkable item is -10 degrees Celsius freeze-proof, splash-resistant, and dust-proof. At number 5 is the Ricoh THETA V camera. This compact spherical VR camera delivers high-resolution 360-degree still photos that equate to about 14 mega output pixels. It's equipped with Snapdragon, an advanced imaging processing system that produces a realistic, superb quality of images and allows you to stitch scenes for a whole, seamless output. It's also capable of providing high-speed transfer of data and wireless upload of 4K HD videos and 14 megapixel still photos for the world to see. It offers high sensitivity of ISO 3200 and up to ISO 6400, which are extremely effective during those dark scenes. The minimum interval shooting is about 4 seconds, which is perfect when creating time-lapse footage. With the new gyro sensor that complements the work of conventional acceleration sensor, enjoy excellent 360-degree content. Other wonderful features of this model are the 1 by 25,000 to 60-second shutter speed, the omnidirectional 4-channel microphone, and moreover, it comes with an expandable operating system that allows future enhancements via firmware updates. It easily connects to mobile devices using wireless LAN or Bluetooth, letting you enjoy clear videos and images on your TV, computer, or smartphone. It can also be used as a remote control to choose an image from the saved files or zoom in and out. Embrace this new technology of the amazing 360-degree cameras and preserve wonderful memories in high-quality still photos or HD videos that you'll surely love to watch over and over. If you're ready to buy one now, just click the link of the product of your choice and get it at a great deal delivered right to your doorstep. If you'd like to see another product to be reviewed, just leave it in the comment box and we'll give it our utmost attention. Please don't forget to tap the bell icon to get notifications from us and for more product reviews. Join our growing community by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you for joining us on our review of the 5 best 360-degree cameras. We'll see you in our next video here at the ReviewTube channel.